Hey guys, so in this video, I just want to talk about when it's okay to go over top of existing vinyl and when you should probably remove the old stuff. I'm putting this new vinyl down in the bathroom here, and I'm going to go over top of this. And the first thing you want to do is check with the product that you bought. The instructions will tell you what a suitable substrate is for it. So, they will say if that product is meant to go over top of existing vinyl. So that's the first thing to check. After you check that, then you want to look at the condition of the current substrate, and you want to make sure that it's securely fastened to the subfloor. And in my case, this is just one sheet of vinyl. It's really thin and it's pretty well secured, so I feel comfortable with putting vinyl over top of it. Another thing I'll mention about that too is if you have more than one layer of vinyl already down, then I would probably just opt to remove the old stuff. I wouldn't go over top of more than one layer of existing vinyl. And then there's also some times where it's actually better to not remove the old stuff. So for my situation here, this is where the toilet goes, and I feel like if I go over top of the existing vinyl, it'll actually raise the floor up a little bit, and it'll be a better transition for the toilet, so there won't be a gap. The existing toilet, before I removed it, they had to put a bunch of caulk under it to make it seat properly. So I think raising my floor up, even though this isn't very thick, raising it up a little bit will actually help with that. Then the other thing I want to mention too is that depending on what type of flooring and the age of your house, it's possible that there could be asbestos both in the tile and the adhesive that was used to install the old vinyl asbestos tile. And so in my case, while I was pulling the baseboards and stuff, I found some stuff like this, which I'm not sure if that's asbestos tile. And I'm not the one who originally installed this, so I don't know what was removed. So I'm going to play it safe and not pull this up, so that if there was asbestos tile here and there was asbestos in the adhesive, I won't be pulling that up into the air. So this is a quick video. I just wanted to kind of talk about when you can pull up old vinyl and when you can leave it, and when sometimes maybe you should leave it. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.